Well, afternoon, Ma'am Marian, as well as for our viewers. So, first, today's video I'll be going to do is to demonstrate the full ladders, so which composed of our KIC, XR, and GOR, and as well as our gates. So, for my breadboard, I'm putting some parts, but here are my some parts of wires, the lead, as well as the battery, and also that's all. So, I will be trying if it work effectively and efficiency for the full ladders. So, let's go. So, first, I'll be going here for our full ladders. Now, we having a battery. First, for the input A. So, good afternoon, Memoria. So, for today's video, I'll be going to do is to demonstrate to you the full ladder, and which composed a lot of component, which included the um, IC, the wires, resistors, batteries, and also the switch. So, I will completed it, my full ladder. So for now, I will be testing if it works for my inputs and outputs. So I will be having the three inputs, which is ABC component, and the outputs is sum and carry. So for this, we will be finding if our output would um, accurately correct if the our battery and also our resistors and all component would be consequently work. So let's check. So first, we will be going here the 00 negative, positive. So okay, so 00, I will off the battery, and the input would 00 and the sum and carry would 0. So the second one, I will be putting 001. So the C, I will be owning yan, and the sum would be 1. And the third one, which would be my on, is the input B. So the outcome would be the same, the sum carry 1. So the fourth one, which is B, I A, B and C. So okay, the outcome would be carry would on, and the sum would off. So the sixth one would 100. So we can on off 100. So the light would come up for the sum, and that's work. And the eighth one, the second one afterwards, we can on the A and C segment, Yes. So it truly works from the carry. And the second one would be 111. Yes. Still the same. The carry would be turning on the lights. And the last part, which is we need to on the all components of our switch, so we can see it if our output would seem the same of on lights. Yes, it still work. So thank you so much. All of our component would consequently work, and it is also effectively and efficiently trusted in terms of our full other segments. Thank you so much.